how many awardees this time around in this Pacquiao Ilorde Awards?
Parang we have about 70 to 75 awardees. That includes yung mga sa citation, yung mga top honorees, and we're also giving awards posthumously. So meron kaming mga awards for that one, and yung mga best manager, trainer, most promising boxer, the best fight of the year. That is aside from the Philippine and the international and regional champions. So mga more or less mga 75.
I heard na meron din kayong special recognition or awards to non-boxer, di ba? You were mentioning earlier yung ating Paris Olympic champion.
Yeah, last year when we conceptualized this one, ang gusto sana ni Manny is not only to honor professional and amateur boxers, parang gusto niya yung ibang sports na nag-excel talaga. So last year, we honored yung mga greats in, andoon si Efren Bata, andoon si Eugene Torre, si Heidelin Diaz, in-honor namin sila. But this time, naka-focus kami kasi katatapos lang ng Olympics. So, I understand na confirm si Carlos Yulo to be there. We are giving him the Sports Hero Award. So, si Carlos Yulo yun for another, not in boxing. But sila Ira naman and si Nesty, kung naman sila under amateur boxing. So, kasama din sila.
Okay, so how special, ano ba yung trophy na ibibigay sa mga awardees? Kasi natatanda natin yung trophy nung Ilorde Awards pa lang ito, no? Di ba yung si Mr. Ilorde na nakatayo, diba? Yung stance niya nandun. So this time around, nung pinagsama na ang Pacquiao and Ilorde Awards, ano na pong klaseng trophy ang pinapamigay natin?
Okay, tama yun, Judith. For the past 23 years, we have been giving yung trophy na nakikita nyo na parang yung stance ni Flash Ilorde na kaliwete. And yun yung binibigay namin, it depends lang on the size. Ngayon, last year, of course, since I've mentioned this is in collaboration with Manny, we commissioned a very, very good artist, si Castrillo, to do it. In fact, napakaganda. It's an abstract trophy na nakalagay yung Pacquiao P and E. Tapos meron din yung iba, MP, FE, Flash Ilorde. Ginawa ito parang brass na hinulma, yung parang inikot siya. It's an abstract one na nakapatong sa malaking kahoy. So yun ang binibigay namin. And we will also be giving that this year, and there is a certificate of authenticity. So medyo maganda and medyo pricey, if you call it. Pero it's something that our athletes will treasure. Kasi Castrillo.
Castrillo na dito. Okay.
Ay, Eduardo Castrillo.
Eduardo.
No, ito yung patay na kasi si Eduardo Castrillo, di ba?
Anak ko.
This is the pamangkin.
Wow.
Yung mga pamangkin kasi yung sumunod sa kanya. This is Cameron Castrillo.
Wow.
Okay, questions?